Welcome to Celebrating Freedom, finding freedom in all the right places. Hi, I'm Julianne Price, the lifestyle designer at Beauty with a Cause, and I'm excited you've decided to join me in this course. This course is all about finding happiness through freedom, because the true secret to happiness is freedom. And in order to get that freedom, it takes a little bit of courage. So this course is going to be all about small doses of courage to find everyday freedoms in your life. So what exactly is freedom? In this case, we're not talking about civil rights freedom. We're talking about everyday freedoms. So this course is about exploring and expanding different avenues of freedom in order to find more of that happiness. And again, we're talking about small freedoms, not about creating a movement and changing the world. And it involves honest reflection and the courage to take action. There'll be several exercises in the PDF that's included with this course to have you start to take action in everyday situations and in everyday life. So this course is for anyone who really wants to break free of stale routines and anyone who feels trapped by circumstances. So if life is feeling dry, dull, boring, that might be a good indication that you've given away a lot of your freedom. And if you want to feel that openness, if you want to feel that lightheartedness, that comes from having larger doses of freedom. And you want to remember what freedom really is and where it can be found. Again, it may feel overwhelming. It may feel like the government has taken control of your life and circumstances have taken control of your life, but that's not true. There's a lot of everyday freedom, but this is not for the faint at heart. You have to really, truly want it. And that's what this course is about. You have to have the courage to be honest and open and really do the work to get those little freedoms back. And these are those everyday freedoms. So in this course, we'll talk about all the types of freedom that you experience every day. We'll open your eyes to what those freedoms are. And then we'll start to explore ways that you can expand and take back a bit of your freedom. And we'll also talk about some of the pitfalls of having too much freedom, because there are some crutches that freedom brings with it that you need to be aware of so that you don't fall into traps. So I hope you're excited to take this course. It'll really open your eyes to how much freedom you've given away and how much freedom is possible for you just in small everyday actions. So I hope you're excited and I hope you're ready. Let's dive in.